Hey, and welcome to Revenge of the Show. This is Model Kit Monday. I'm going to do this review of this at M6 Walker. At M6 Walker. So, from The Last Jedi. Love it or hate the movie, this is the kit. If you hated it, that's all right. If you loved it, that's all right. Got this pretty cheap, $7.95. Show you what they're going for right now on eBay. There's box art. These were the kits that were available through them at the moment, or at that time. Same box art all the way around there. And yep, there we go. Got some stuff there. What's in the box?
Who's in the box?
Just comes out all loose. Alrighty. Directions. All these parts. Actually, I'm kind of surprised that there's as many directions or pieces to this kit. Usually these snap together ones, there's not much to them. Looks like you could move the legs maybe. I don't know if they stand in one pose or not. So there we go. So we'll try that in a second. Open up these bags. These are the legs. A little bit of detail, not a tremendous amount. It sure does look like you don't have to pose it in one pose. That's all that. It's the second baggie. They're not marked or numbered or anything like that, but it shouldn't be too difficult to figure out what's going on here. Another leg stuff. These do look a little bit different. Yeah, they're definitely a little bit different. There's not much detail on these. Looks like the feet. Part of the ginormous feet on this thing. And these are all the same type of parts. That's 2 feet. 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. I imagine there's got to be more feet in here because there's only 2 feet in the other one. Oh, here's the cockpit of the thing. That detail is actually pretty cool. That's not too bad. And don't forget, you know, I paid like $8 for this. They're $30 brand, you know, before the sale price. There's, looks like, whatever this is. I'm not too familiar with this, the ATAT M6. No. That's not bad though. I'm thinking this goes on the bottom somewhere. It might attach to the head. Yeah, I think it attaches to the head. Yeah, that attaches to the head there. A lot of this is nice detail here, and it's kind of funny how it gets covered up. But so that's what you get in that baggie. Not bad. That's the best one I've seen so far. And I got to remember that these are the front feet. That first baggie that I showed you is the front feet. Here is just some fitting parts. Not much detail on that. I'm guessing that it helps connect in things, or maybe helps you manipulate the legs. Type of screws. Here's some other detail parts. Pretty cool. Some guns. Yeah, I gotta take these out for you. So these look like the guns that go on the side of the head, or right in the front. Right in the front. Actually, not too bad. Not too shabby. Some other detail parts go somewhere. This is the guns that go on the side of the head, the cockpit. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Here's the sides, which a little bit of looks pretty good, pretty clean. No flash anywhere. I haven't seen any flash on this kit. Not too bad. Yeah. Other side's got some more detail on it. Yeah. It's not bad. You know, you paint this up, do a nice job painting it up, you'll get it to look like what you saw in a movie fairly well, I think. And let's see if this works. So just barely lights up there. So the sounds, it's, you know, it's pretty loud because it doesn't, you know, it's not very bright there, but. And you just connect that to the top of the thing, pretty easy. And, you know, not too bad looking. Pay for this kit, and out of 11, why?
These go to 11.
If you're gonna pay $8 for it, it's, hey, that's like 11, because that's a great deal. I mean, if you're gonna pay $30 for it, it's probably like a 9 actually, you know, for the ease of build and the details not too bad. And $30 you get a lot of plastic here. And as you can see, you know, compared to a cat, it's not too, you know, it's not that bad, you know, it's bad of a size. You know, when you buy a Bondi kit or any other really nice kit, and you're going to be paying, you know, $60 for something like this easily. So, yeah, let's go with we'll go with a 9. How about a 9? I want to thank my Patreons, Carl Romberg, and I want to thank Paul Streff and Chris Peters for helping out with some of the things I need to get through to get the show going. I hope that you like and subscribe, and thanks very much, and have a great day or night.